I'm feeling anxious. I'm going to do some art even though I don't feel like it, but I have a feeling that future Iris will thank me for that mature decision. So that's what I'm doing.
Is it International Cat Day, Teak? It is too hot to meow. It's too hot to meow. Aww. It is just so hot today, and it's hot and humid. I'm just having a weird day, I don't know. We're going on holiday. It really stresses me out. It's so bad at this point that I kind of have this feeling that I think it might be to do with reliving something that I wasn't able to experience when I was a kid. I kind of have this feeling of I just have to get through the time before the holiday and then the holiday until after the holiday, and that's so sad in a way. I would love to be able to enjoy myself, and yet instead I feel like it's something to get through. The heat's not helping. Our bodies are just kind of what are you doing to me? So it's pretty hard going. I told you about the screen protector I got for my iPad. So it's this one. It's from a brand called Belmond. I bought this off of Amazon. I will leave a link below. Obviously, I'm in the UK. I installed it yesterday. So first of all, I have to say to you, I read somewhere a recommendation, a tip, that you should try and install your screen protector in the bathroom just after having used the shower, because apparently the moisture in the air means that there isn't so much dust flying around. So I tried it, and I would say that it's definitely true, but then there's also, when I took the screen protector out of the packaging, there was quite a lot of dust on there already, so it was kind of it was okay. It was okay. I would say that it was a good tip, but there could still be kind of interference. It's already super dirty, oh, look at all of the finger marks. I managed to install it okay. I did it wrong, obviously, there's 2 in the packet, which is good, so if you do it really wrong, you could use the second one. I did it wrong a little bit, and I ended up with 2 tiny little air bubbles, but you hardly see them. You see them when the screen is off, but when the screen is on, you don't even see them and you don't notice them, so I'm that's fine. Yeah, so I peeled off the wrong layer first, duh. Now I don't need to do it again, and now I know how to do it, so. Yeah, so I've used it, and I have to say, I'm really quite impressed already. It's not as textured as I thought it would be. I thought it would be really quite rough texture, but it's not. It's a very subtle matte texture, and then when you use the Apple Pencil on top of it, it just feels so much easier. You've got so much more control. It just feels like you could do proper note-taking, proper sketching, and I feel the sensitivity is a tiny bit less than with the glossy screen protector that I had before, but the benefits definitely outweigh any kind of negatives to me. That's my kind of very short review, bearing in mind that I've only been using it, for one day. I hope that's useful. It's Sunday and I am in a much better mood today, I am glad to say. It's a bit cooler, only 32 degrees today, so that helps. I've just had a tough weekend. It's a weekend that I was meant to go away with friends, and it's a weekend that historically since 2013 I have gone away to like a convention or like gone away with friends, and it's been like the only weekend really that I do that a year, and it's been huge for kind of my personal development, my sense of self, relating to myself as me, and not just as like a wife or a mum. I guess I hadn't really given much thought or space beyond just the surface level to the amount of disappointment and the importance of it, and not having it this year. My friend who organised the weekend that was supposed to take place this weekend moved it online, but I found it kind of almost too difficult to interact with the online element. I don't love funnily enough, I don't love doing online events. That sounds a bit weird, but that's the truth. And especially like there's been an erosion over the last 6 months with online stuff. You know, at the beginning it was all very interesting and exciting at the start of COVID, and now I'm kind of like, can we just do real life again? So it's been difficult, it's been challenging, and I'm just trying to kind of have the space for those feelings. But right now I am feeling a bit more excited and motivated, and when I showed that piece of art from yesterday to someone, they said, "That's a big mood." And yes, it was. And today I feel a bit more able and excited and motivated to work on something else, something a tiny bit more planned, and I'm hoping to create something that I can turn into stickers. So I'm excited about that, and yeah, that's what I am doing. I'm going to do something fun, and your clue is this, and you only have to wait until the next shot until you know what it is. Ta-da! It is 10:30. Oh my god, it feels so much later. I'm sweating. I feel like such a wuss for complaining so much about the weather. Last year we had a heat wave as well, and I was fine, and this year I'm just suffering. I haven't really done anything. I think the only thing I vlogged yesterday was the laundry, and the only thing I vlogged today was sweets. I am sending this package to my friend Anne, art friend who is based in the US, so that's exciting. I saw some art of hers and I asked her if she wanted to do an art exchange, and she said yes. So I was really excited, and I know Anne watches this. Well, I think she does anyway. So hi Anne, this is coming to you soon, and hopefully it won't take too long to get there. I know that the post is obviously still, especially international post, I imagine, is still a bit out of whack. And then I am also going to be putting together another package for another friend who I don't know if she watches this, but she's amazing, and her name is Effie, and she does online courses as well, and I'll obviously put links below, and you should check her out because she's amazing. This is a little interesting story. I like to kind of decorate stuff with my own stamps that I carved a while back, and I carved stuff that I tend to doodle. So there is this little box and there is this kind of sun cross, but I found out recently that this symbol, which is originally a Celtic symbol, is actually used by neo-Nazis, so I don't really want to be using it anymore, even though obviously like it was personally meaningful to me, but like I don't want to put that on my art. What I'm going to do is I'm going to probably cut the extra bits off so it just becomes a circle with a cross inside without the spokes coming out, and then I guess I'll feel comfortable using it again. So yeah, just thought that was interesting and weird. Hello, I want to do a little update. Today we baked a cake because we had 4 bananas going brown. So, what do you do with 4 bananas, especially during lockdown? You bake banana bread. I saw a funny meme the other day about the bananas being ignored now that like we're a few months further and nobody's baking banana bread anymore. Poor bananas. The sticker saga continues. I ordered some samples from this place that does online labels. I don't know what it's called. Maybe it's called Online Labels. I don't know. I'll look it up and put it below, or like in the little note to editing iris, put it here on the screen. And so yes, I ordered some sample sheets and I'm hoping to get those in the mail soon so I can try those out. Hopefully they'll be better. Their customer service was really good, so that's promising. So I'm excited about that. You saw me work on those kind of quirky faces. I haven't had more time to work on those, but hopefully I'll get some time over the coming days. The other thing is that the promotional period for an online event that I am speaking/teaching on has just started. It's called Healing with Creativity, and I do an art exercise, kind of art journaling around powerful words. And that's what my session is about. So sign-ups are open right now. I'll pop a link below. So if that's something that sounds up your street, then you can sign up for that. The actual event is on the 20th and the 21st of August, and signing up and participating on those days is free. So yeah, check it out. Other than that, I think I want to close out this vlog now because I thought it'd be fun or nice to just have another vlog up on Friday. This schedule is so much more frequent than what I had planned when I started vlogging. I really didn't think I was going to have the time or the content to have vlogs up like this, but this is kind of how it's working out because I'm actually enjoying the vlogging so much. And I had thought like I was gonna make time for making lots of other videos, but it's actually been the vlogging that's bringing me lots of joy and that's helping me be creative right now. So that's kind of what I've been focusing on. So yeah, I think this vlog is a little bit shorter, but I just want to kind of get it out there so I can focus on some other things like holiday prep and things like that. And I've got a fun holiday video planned. I thought it'd be fun if I created a video about the art supplies that I take on holiday, and I can make it into a kind of like, this is my art supply bag for a holiday or traveling, and kind of slash vlog. So hopefully that'll be cool, and I'll have that up at some point once I've actually been on holiday, because that's kind of integral to the whole process, right? Anyway, thanks so much for watching, and hope you have a creative week or weekend, whatever, whenever you're watching this. I hope it's a creative time and you're feeling inspired and all that stuff. Thanks very much for watching. Bye!